Okay, I'm down by unit 31. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but I'm hearing that roar from up at our house. I don't see anything, but you can definitely hear it. Water's just hardly flowing down here. It's kind of weird. It stopped raining about 10 minutes ago, and it's just starting back up again, but so far the drainage has been really good. We're going to finally get a shot at Ron's roof from this side so we can see it. And you can hear that. It's so hard not to put your finger over the lens of this thing because the place to hold it is right there. It's really, I don't want to drop it. Very awkward. There's one of those damn Generac's in there. In Richard's place. They're a scourge. That's why we don't have propane right now. It's thanks to those things. They screwed up our propane system because there's so many of them in here. There's Diane's. You can see they hardly took anything off her roof. Just a little bit off the other side. All right, there's Ron's place. Yeah, they didn't take off as much as I thought they did. They hardly did anything. Yeah, we still have some snow on our roof too. I thought for sure that would be gone. It's been really cold. It's way colder than I thought it was going to be. There's my brother's car. You can see the boat in there. And here's the kind of drainage we're getting. It's definitely manageable as far as in a car. You can see the snow is still pretty much here. And the sump pump. I'm leaving it off for a while because I want to have it run longer with it before it starts running dry, just to preserve the motor so nothing happens to it.